Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring and softening ingredients because texture matters. The first actionable step is creaming butter until smooth. Combine 1/2 cup softened butter with 1/4 teaspoons salt, then add 2 cups powdered sugar and 1/2 cup cocoa in thirds so you don't get lumps. Mix on low speed, scraping sides, and slowly add 2 to 4 tablespoons milk until spreadable. Once done, taste and adjust sweetness. Make sure the frosting is slightly firmer than batter for easy application. Now you focus on texture and stability because how the frosting holds its shape determines the finish. Beat on medium for 1 to 2 minutes to incorporate air but avoid overbeating, which makes it too soft. If it's too stiff, add 1 tablespoon milk at a time. If too loose, fold in 1 tablespoon powdered sugar at a time until you get a pipeable, spreadable consistency. Once you reach the desired thickness, chill briefly if needed to firm up before decorating. Finish by applying a thin crumb coat first to trap stray crumbs. You do this to get a clean final layer. Chill the cake for about 10 to 15 minutes, then spread the final coat using an offset spatula with smooth, sweeping motions and short pulls for crisp edges. If you plan piping, fill a bag and practice pressure. If the frosting breaks or looks curdled, don't panic. Warm the mixing bowl briefly with your hands and re-whip on low to bring it back together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.